Patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty.
Freeze!
Barry, Barry, can you wake up?
Just 5 more minutes, please.
Panda, say I love you.
Don't touch it.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
Oh, this is my human. I love my human. Hello, human. Oh.
Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
I'm so sleepy. I'm just gonna take a little cat nap. Let's get that out of here. Take a little cat nap and I say get that shit out of here!
Oh, duck. Oh, duck. Oh, get the duck out of here.
Got this, Travis. Make him wait for it. Boom.
Are you mad at me? No.
Lexi. Lexi.
Lexi.
Don't you yell at your mother. You think that's funny?
Yeah, go ahead, pull it through. Thanks, bud.
Take out 3-1 right, Delta 1129. That's 1 heavy contagion.
Look, it is a squirrel. Modern.
Let me take a selfie.
Get over here.
Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine.
Simma, who got the keys to my bimmer? Who am I? The girls them sugar. How can I?
Where's my cookie?
I got your cookie.
My cookie!
Lottie, who's your best friend?
Stick 'em up. Bang!
Stop it, seriously.
Tell it to me. I am your sloth. Say it. I am your sloth. Just go with it, baby.
Bailey, can I have my Skittles back? Come on, those are mine. Hey!
I'll save you.
Where's the catnip?
Thank you very much for giving me these delicious walnuts. I like them very much. You are a nice person. I will be sure to come back tomorrow to get some more walnuts. You are my favorite person in the neighborhood.
Shut up.